all of them, only the most that's highly chances which are possible to come in examination. So here myself, Anuj sir, IITian, and we are associated with the Genesis IS. I am a co-founder of Genesis IS. So let's start. The first scheme that we are going to discuss is Bahini scheme. So Bahini scheme is a scheme for installing the vending machine to provide a free sanitary pad. So install vending machine to provide free sanitary pad. Okay, also it has aimed to provide 100% accessible to free and safety sanitary pad to the secondary and senior secondary school going girl. This scheme is mainly focused for class 9 to class 12 girls students. Okay, very nice. Second, the most important scheme is Samarth initiative. Samarth. So please try to make a small notes for your reference point of view, and also I will share this PDF in group. So for this PDF notes, you have to join our Telegram group, that is Genesis IS. Okay. So recently, the occasion of International Women Day 2020-22, the Union Minister for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, that is MSMEs, launched a special entrepreneurship promotion drive for women, Samarth. So in Samarth, it is a mainly focus for women entrepreneur, where 20% seat in a free skill development program organized under a skill development scheme of the ministry will be allocated for the women. Okay. So this is for a woman entrepreneur. Woman entrepreneur skill based program. Okay, launched by MSME. Next important scheme is Sagar Parikrama. This scheme was launched by the Ministry of Fisheries and Animal Husbandry. So Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy Product. Okay, dairy inaugurate the Sagar Parikrama. It is known for problem of coastal fish, means to resolve the coastal fish problem. Okay, Sagar Parikrama is a navigation journey to be conducted in all the coastal state and UTs through the pre-decided sea route to demonstrate the solidarity with all fisher folk and fishermen and concerned stakeholder. Okay, it is a part of Azadi का अमृत महोत्सव. Okay, fair enough, very nice. तो थोड़ा हम लोग को जानना है, so that आप MCQ को टैकल कर पाओ. ठीक है. सो दी इम्पोर्टेंट हम जो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, हम उस ही स्कीम को हम आपसे डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज नई रोशनी स्कीम. थर्ड, नई रोशनी स्कीम. सो नई रोशनी स्कीम, it is launched by the Ministry of Minority Affairs, sanctioned 26 crore under the Nai Roshni scheme. So this is launched by the Ministry of Minority Affairs. Okay, so it is a leadership development program for the minority women, launched in 2012-13, has a central sector scheme for the women belonging to minority community in age of group of 18 to 65 year. Okay, fair enough, good. Next is Vigyan Jyoti program. Vigyan Jyoti program. So Vigyan Jyoti program is launched in second phase, which is extended to 100 districts. It was launched by the Department of Science and Technology. It was launched by Department of Science and Technology. Department of Science and Technology, Ministry of Science and Technology. Fair enough. It aimed to address the underrepresentation of women in the different field of the science, technology, engineer and mathematics in the country. Fair enough. Great. The next, the most important is Operation Ahat. Fifth, Operation Ahat. So it is the Railway Protection Force RPF has launched Operation Ahat to curb the human trafficking. So launched by RPF, okay, to curb human trafficking, to curb the human trafficking. Fair enough? Good. So the next most important is O Smart scheme. O Smart scheme. Sixth is O Smart scheme. So O Smart scheme is ocean service modeling application, resource एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. तो आपको थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया होना चाहिए जिससे कि आप एलिमिनेशंस कर सकें, ठीक है, एमसीक्यूज़ में. इसलिए आपको दी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट आपको बताया जा रहा है. ओके, स्माइल स्कीम. सेवेंथ इज, ये वो सारे स्कीम हैं जो कि वनडे एग्जाम में ज़्यादा पूछे जाते हैं बच्चों. ओके, स्माइल स्कीम. So Smile scheme is recently launched by Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Launched by Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. ठीक है. Smile, full form of Smile is to support for marginalized. Full form, support for marginalized individuals for livelihood and enterprise. Good. Next most important is संभव अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम. संभव अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम. So संभव अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम is launched by Ministry of Micro and Small Enterprises, MSME, that is, has launched e-national level awareness program संभव. It is a mass outreach program under the Ministry of MSME in which students from the different college ITIs from all part of the country will be encouraged by 130 field office of ministry to take up entrepreneurship. Very nice. Next most important is okay, this is 8th one. Okay, no problem. PM कुसुम प्रोग्राम. 9th PM कुसुम. सो PM कुसुम इस प्रधानमंत्री किसान ऊर्जा सुरक्षा एवं उत्थान महाअभियान स्कीम कम जयपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोटपुली तहसील वेयर प्रोविजन फॉर द 17 lakh unit of electricity for every year. So this is a electricity program, okay, which is launched at Jaipur. Okay, Jaipur. District is Kotputli. Okay, PM Kusum was launched by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, MNRE. And 10th is E-Santa. It is launched by Union of Commerce and Industrial Minister. Launched by Union of Commerce and Industries Minister. Okay, it is an electronic platform named E-Santa which will connect all the aqua farmer and buyer for